Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your Cignal account credentials and that Cignal Play is installed on the device. Open the app now and sign in. This creates the session needed for linking. Once done, navigate to the Profile or Settings tab and select Link Device or Activate so the app displays an activation code. Make sure your internet is stable because the link step checks account status in real time and will fail if connectivity drops. Now you take the activation code shown on your device and open a web browser, preferably on a separate device like a phone or laptop. Enter the code at the Cignal activation page and sign in with the same email. This step verifies ownership and ties the app session to your account. After you submit, watch for confirmation message on both the browser and the app. If the app doesn't refresh, force close and reopen it to retrieve the updated link state. Finish by confirming the device is listed under your account devices or the app shows full access. This proves the link succeeded. If the app remains unlinked, restart the app and device, then redo the activation code step because transient sessions sometimes time out. Make sure the code was entered exactly and that you used the same email. If problems continue, reset your account password and retry, or contact Cignal support with your account email.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.